Today we're going to be churning butter. I got this from Christmas from my mother. She actually got it from Amazon, which I think was pretty cool. It has the stainless steel mechanism here. It also has the bamboo holders or the handles, and then it has the silicone on the inside and it's glass. It has the bamboo paddles. Things that you're not going to be getting with it are the parchment paper and obviously the heavy whipping cream. You'll need that to be room temp, so keep that in mind. Once your heavy whipping cream is at room temp, I would give it a little bit of a shake, pour it into there, and then you're going to start to use the butter churner. Now, I'll be honest with you, it takes about 15 minutes. If you leave it cold, it's going to take a lot longer. So do yourself a favor. This is what it looks like about halfway done. And then when it is fully done, it's pretty chunky, you guys. There is a little bit of milk that stays at the very bottom. That's totally okay. That's normal. You can actually save it as buttermilk. You can add it to your pancakes. Other like baked goods that use buttermilk, you could use all of it in there. I just kind of squeezed it out. You're going to want to place your butter in some ice cold water. It's going to kind of help chunk it all together even better. After that, you're going to want to use your paddles to kind of squeeze and kind of morph it into the shape that you want. I used a couple of paper towels. I've seen it used without paper towels, but I used it, just kind of squeezed it a little bit more to get it extra dry. Sorry about that. Once you've got it all packed in the shape you want and obviously all drained out, you can just simply wrap it with a fresh parchment paper and then put it in the fridge. I leave mine wrapped in parchment paper. I have seen some people also use it like a butter holder. I don't have one. It's okay. Just use parchment paper. It works just as fine. But if you're looking for something like this, I would definitely consider this one from Amazon. It's pretty amazing and easy.